In this short video, we'll be going over Chaturanga Vinyasa flow and some of its variations. We'll begin with the fullest expression of Chaturanga Vinyasa. You'll see that I'm starting here in Child's Pose to help find a nice distance between my hands and my feet. From Downward Facing Dog, you can inhale forward into High Plank. The core is fully engaged, and then I'll exhale to lower halfway into Chaturanga. And then inhale, lifting up into Upward Dog, option to look up to the sky or look forward. And then engage the belly, come up over the toes as you exhale back into Downward Facing Dog. Since this can be a little intense for many practitioners, let's look at another modified gentle version. From here, instead of going all the way, I'll drop my knees, chest and chin to the ground. And then instead of coming to Up Dog, I inhale to Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. And then I engage my belly, come onto the knees, curl the toes, lift the hips, and press back into Downward Facing Dog. You'll notice in this version the difference was that the knees, chest, and chin come down. The chest is coming between the hands. And then we draw the body forward and up to Cobra, engage the core to come onto the knees, curl the toes under, and press back to Downward Facing Dog. You also have the option to curl one foot at a time before pressing back into your Downward Facing Dog. Another option is to lower all the way down to the ground before rising up into your Cobra Pose. And then engage the belly and press back Downward Facing Dog. Another variation that you may choose to take is to go from Cobra Pose to Up Dog as a transition before making your way back to Downward Facing Dog. Here in this variation, I drop the knees to the ground first. In the second variation, as I rise up into my Upward Facing Dog, I'll engage my core to lift and come over the toes, pressing back into Downward Facing Dog. Avoid allowing the elbows to bend outward, and keep your eye on the low back for core engagement. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please visit www.sacredpathsyoga.com.